There's one thing Captain America never goes into battle without: his shield. He'll throw, hurl, and pitch it against formidable enemies.
Damn right.
But somehow the shield seems to have a knack for returning to the hero's side. Is it just Marvel magic? Or is it clever physics? Let's take a closer look at the shield's movement to find out. Its path is actually a carefully plotted trajectory that we can model with basic physics. In many cases, the shield appears to follow the law of elastic collisions. That means when two objects collide, their momentum and kinetic energy are conserved. As a result, the speed of the shield after a collision does not change. And more importantly, the angle at which the shield hits an object is equal and opposite to the angle it ricochets off. This gives the shield seemingly magical abilities to move from one point to the next in search of its target. So what would it be like to get hit by this thing? According to Marvel Comics, the shield weighs 12 pounds, and Captain America throws it at about 40 miles per hour. If the shield bounces off an opponent traveling at those speeds, it would impart the same energy as a bullet from an M16 rifle. It would be impossible for a normal human to predict the shield's complex trajectory at such high speeds, making it difficult to hit anything, at least on purpose. But Captain America is no ordinary human. He has a very high intelligence, as well as strength, speed, endurance, and reaction time superior to any Olympic athlete who ever competed. Suffice to say, Captain America is the right guy for this job.